Tired of forgetting passwords? Discover the top 4 Android password manager apps of 2026 designed to protect your accounts and make logging in faster than ever. At number 4, we have Google Password Manager, a simple but powerful tool with a 4.7-star rating and over 11,000 reviews from users who rely on it every day. This app makes managing your passwords faster and easier by giving you a quick shortcut to access your saved passwords, passkeys, and account details. The best part? It's already built into your Android device and works smoothly with Google services. It can securely save your login information so you don't have to memorize dozens of different passwords. With Google Password Manager, signing into apps and websites becomes almost effortless. It can help you create stronger passwords, avoid reusing the same password everywhere, and quickly fill in your login details when needed. Whether you're switching devices, browsing on Chrome, or using your favorite apps, your saved passwords stay organized and ready when you need them. People love it because it removes the frustration of forgotten passwords while adding convenience and security to everyday digital life. Number 3, we have Proton Pass, a powerful password manager built for people who want stronger security and more privacy. With a 4.5-star rating, nearly 50,000 reviews, and over 1 million installs, it's quickly becoming a trusted choice. Created by the team behind Proton Mail, Proton Pass protects your logins with end-to-end encryption, meaning your passwords and private data stay locked and only you can access them. You can save unlimited passwords, autofill your logins instantly, generate ultra-strong passwords, and even store two-factor authentication codes inside the app. One standout feature is Hide My Email Aliases, which lets you create private email addresses to protect your real inbox from spam tracking and data leaks. Unlike many password managers, Proton Pass is open source, has no ads, collects no personal data, and follows strict Swiss privacy standards. You can also secure private notes, use biometric unlock, and sync your vault across devices. If you want a password manager that combines convenience with serious privacy protection, Proton Pass is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned for the next app on the list. At number 2, we have Bitwarden Password Manager, one of the most trusted password security apps in 2026. With a 4.8-star rating from over 156,000 reviews and more than 5 million installs, it's helping users protect their online accounts worldwide. Bitwarden creates and stores strong, unique passwords for every account, so you never have to remember dozens of logins again. Everything is protected inside an end-to-end encrypted vault that only you can access. You can sync your passwords across unlimited devices, including Android phones, browsers, and desktops. It also supports modern passkeys, giving you a faster and more secure way to log in without traditional passwords. What makes Bitwarden stand out is its focus on privacy. It offers a free version with no ads and doesn't sell your data. Your information is protected with advanced encryption, regular security audits, and strong two-factor authentication options. It also includes a built-in password generator, secure sharing features, and tools for teams that need professional-level security. Meet the number 1 password manager app, LastPass Password Manager. With a 4.4 rating, over 219,000 reviews, and 10 million plus installs, LastPass is trusted by millions to keep their digital life organized and secure. The best part? You only need to remember one master password. LastPass stores your passwords safely, automatically fills login details, and even creates strong, unique passwords for you. It's not just for passwords. You can also securely save payment details, private notes, and important information in one encrypted vault. Whether you're using Android apps, websites, or multiple devices, LastPass helps make logging in faster and more convenient. With features like password sharing, multi-factor authentication, and advanced security options, it's designed to protect your online accounts. If you want a simpler and safer way to manage passwords, LastPass is definitely an app to consider. Protect your digital life today. Pick your favorite password manager and stay tuned for more useful app reviews.